Hello, it's Kate from Inkstampshare. I thought I'd pop on and show you my new planner that I've got from Stampin' Up. It's the Big Plans Planner Kit. So it comes all and you just pop it all together. And it's really easy to do that. I'd put off getting my planner. I don't know why. I was still using my old one until sort of the end of last month, and I've really missed it. So I just got it. I wish I'd just got it. I wish I'd just ordered it earlier. It's absolutely brilliant. I'm completely back on track. I love it. Now, it's absolutely pretty, beautiful. It's really pretty colour, and yeah, I like pretty things. I'm not hugely girly or anything like that. I do like nice things that have good colour, and it's got metallic little flowers on it. It's really sweet. So I'll go through it and show you what you get in your planner. Obviously you've got your lovely cover. It's quite a big one, this one. It's slightly bigger than last year's. It's padded. It feels a bit more substantial, a bit more robust. Inside you get all the pieces just to pop in. It's all ready to go. You've got two of these lovely pockets. I've got some bits in mine, so you can put all your receipts, shopping lists, anything you want to remember you can keep in there. We've got stickers. Now you get lots of stickers. I've just put a couple in the front of mine ready to go, ready to use, and the rest are in the back. So you've got loads of stickers, but these have got all sorts of things on them that are useful to mark your pages. So birthdays, shopping, goals, remember, to do, little tags, lots of things. Just tons of flags, and they come in both the colourways, so you can pretty it up. And then there's all these gorgeous flowers and nice font, make today amazing, love every day. Yeah, love it. Another one of these pockets to put everything in. And then you've got your laminated each month cover with a tab on it. So it will go January through December. I've chosen to put mine through July. Excuse me, because I'm starting it right now. And none of the pages have dates on, so you can start it any time of the year you like, and that's one of the reasons I really like it. So each month has a cover on it, and they're all pretty and different designs. So if you like it looking attractive and gorgeous, these are all the different ones that you can get inside. That's December. I like the colourway. I think it's Calypso Coral. It's lovely. That's the notes, and then yeah, because I've gone July, it starts at January again, and so on. So that's that. Inside for each month you have got your whole month at a glance, so you can write all your dates and everything you need there, and notes. I've got to get Jacob's new school uniform. I like to get that before they break up from school in July for the next year, so that I'm not rushing around at the end of my holiday trying to sort that out. Yeah, and then you have your week to view as well, so you've got lots of space to write on every single day, all the things and all the appointments or anything you like. We've got 5 people in our family. I've got a Stampin' Up business going on. There's lots of things to remember, and I've got lots of room. So I've started filling mine all out already, ready to go for what I'm doing. So it's perfect. And then you get to the end of the month, and on the last page you have another notes page to write lots of things in. Perfect. So that's good, and then you're on to your next month. So every month is the same, and when you get your planner, you'll have lots of weeks. So you've got enough weeks to go in for your Monday to Fridays. You'll have your cover page for your Take a Glance. So you have one of those for every month, like so. This gorgeous font in it. And then when you get to the end, you get a whole load of notes. So you get a ton of these to write on. So there's so much to write on. You're not going to run out at all. And as I said, I put most of my stickers to store in the back here. So you get, in the planner in total, you get 2 of these gorgeous ones with all the flowers and hearts and lovely fonts. You get 2 of this colourway with all the tabs and stickies. You get 2 of this colourway and these gorgeous foiled ones as well. These flowers, these are lovely. They are gorgeous. You get 2 of those as well. You don't get this pen, that's my spare pen, but you get a little elastic, which we didn't have last year, which is great, just to pop your pen in. I just happen to have one that coordinates the colour, and I've popped it in there because it looks nice. Yeah, so I love it. You also have your page lifter, of course, so you can find your page. I like to decorate mine. I'm not a planner girl who spends hours over decorating our planner, because Otherwise I'll never get the things in it done that I want to do. But I do like a quick and easy, attractive planner, and I think this is absolutely perfect because you can make it as pretty as you like. It comes with washi tape as well. So washi tape's brilliant when you're using your planner because you can stick it on, you can pull it off, you can write on top of it. It's flat, it doesn't take up any room. So that's the nice washi tape that comes with it. Let's see if I can find the end of it. That's always the challenge, isn't it? There it is. Nice washi tape that is. So that's going to go in there. So that's your planner. It's in our annual catalogue, which launched just about a month or so ago. It's on page 10. Shows you your planner. Interestingly, we have a coordinating Memories and More card kit that goes with it. So you can use the 6x8 pocket pages, which you can also purchase quite cheaply, and you can put it in, you can make it into a journal, or you can just remember what you were doing through that month and pop your photos in the pockets. And they've got little journaling cards in the Memories and More section to match. So it can be so much more than a planner or a diary. I'll show you the Memories and More cards. They're stunning. They're on my list. 196, I think it is. So yeah, they're here. And it's called the Big Plans, Memories and More card pack. And those are the examples where they've popped them in. You can use these Memories and More card packs to go with note cards and envelopes to make cards also. We've got special cards and envelopes, especially for Memories and More in this catalogue, that makes them into these lovely cards. Or you can use it for what they're intended and make like little journal pages out of it, which is absolutely gorgeous. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at it up close so you can see exactly what you get. It's so much nicer than just looking at a page in a catalogue. I love mine. If you fancy getting yours or having another look at it, do hop over to my shop at inkstampshare.ink. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and click the little bell down below for notifications of future videos. Hope to speak to you soon. Thanks for stopping by.